Single-phase ACCLs by Novell Automations are fully automatic high-precision systems designed for efficient distribution of individually rationed generator power, for example in multi-storied apartments, commercial complexes and so on. Here we are demonstrating the U303 with a generator load limiter of 5 amperes. The two red LEDs here signify that both the mains and generator supply are connected. As we just saw, if the generator supply gets disconnected due to some reason, the red LED will turn off. This is to help the maintenance technician check if the generator supply is always live. Now, if we face a power cut and the main supply is not there, after a delay of 5 to 6 seconds, the generator turns on. The generator will keep functioning up to a load of 5 amperes. Now, if the generator load increases above 5 amperes, the current limiter will automatically trip the system for 14 seconds. At the end of 14 seconds, the generator load will again get reconnected to check if the load has come down below 5 amperes. Here, since the load is still above 5 amperes, the system will trip again for 14 seconds and this will continue to happen until the generator load comes down below the required value, that is 5 amperes. In the intelligent eye model, every time the system trips, the auto reset time progressively increases from 14 seconds to 180 seconds. When the generator load goes above 5 amperes, the current limiter trips the system for the first time for 14 seconds. At the end of 14 seconds, the generator supply will again turn on and the current limiter will check to see whether the load has gone down below 5 amperes. Here, since the load is still above 5 amperes, the current limiter will trip the system now for a duration of 60 seconds. At the end of 60 seconds, the current limiter will again check to see whether the generator load has gone down below 5 amperes. As we see here, since the generator load is still above 5 amperes, the system will trip for a third time, this time for 180 seconds. At the end of these 180 seconds, the generator power will again get connected and the current limiter will check whether the load has fallen down below the 5 ampere limit. Since the generator load is still above 5 amperes for the fourth time within a span of 5 minutes, the system will trip once again. And this time the system will not reset automatically but would have to be reset manually by pressing the push button given. If again the generator load falls below the requisite limit, that is 5 amperes, it will continue to operate as usual. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us at the details given on the screen.